I want to show you how to play the gospel hymn classic, Oh How I Love Jesus. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them for you in the key of G. Let's start with that classic melody. G, B, 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 A, B, G, 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 A, G, A, B, D, C, B, 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 A, B, G, 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 A, B, C, B, A, G, B, B, A, B, G, G, A, G, B, A, B, D, C, B, B, A, B, G, 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 A, B, C, B, A, G. Usually in the hymn books this is written in the key of A flat, but I've got it in the key of G. It's a little bit easier to play and it sings just as easily. So then we'll get the introduction. Now all I'm going to do, here's your key of G, G, B, D, and your 5 chord is a D7, D, F sharp, A, C. And we're just going to arpeggiate that chord. D, F sharp, A, C, D, F sharp, A. That'll be the introduction, and then we go right into it. So let me give you the left hand now. G, D, G, and then I play the whole G chord, but I put the G on top. B, D, G. Here's your G chord, G, B, D, and I go right up there. Then we go to the D, D, A, back to the G, G, D, G, and I'll arpeggiate that with an open fifth. G, D, G. Then we do it again. G, D, G, B and D, C, D, G, B, D, G. There's only 3 chords in here. You've got a G chord, a D chord, and a C chord. But for the C chord, all I'm going to do is play 1 note right there. So now let's put those, so we've got the introduction, and then we'll go slowly so you can see it hands together. And we go down to the D. Here you go to a C. And then we arpeggiate the G chord. And you can hold it as you go, or you can play 1 note as you go. I like to kind of hold it and let it ring through. Then when we go to the chorus, it's G, and then B and D. G, D, G. So those G's come together. Then the D goes with the A. And here, play that A, pause for a second, play that A before this A comes in. Then play the B and the D. So you play the B and the D as a filler. Now here we go with this. There you have it. Oh, how I love Jesus. Now you can play it slowly. In a different octave, and you can play it in an upper octave. And for your last verse, if you want to, you can just arpeggiate the whole, the end of it. Just G, D, B, B, G, B, D, G, B, D, G, B, D, G. So it'd sound like this. There you have it. Oh, how I love Jesus. Gospel hymn classic. Hope you enjoy it.